The Great Tantra of Vajrasattva, equal to the end of the sky. In that true nature that is not a duality, for it is one, we are free from all the conventionalities made by definitions. Every image arises without hindrance in the mirror of self-luminescent methods. This self-luminescent roundness is an uncontrived reality. We abide in the resolve of unexaggerated awareness. It is uncontrived and self-luminous, pure like the sky. In the way of being like the sky, which does not abide, the dominion of the Dharma, which is primordially pure, engages in the dominion of self-luminous self-awareness. This is a non-dual path which has no borders or center, an abode of awareness which is pure and has no attachments. In a crystal palace of totally clear light, beyond the ways of measurement and enumeration, without our thinking of it or doing anything, there is the supreme self-evidence of a pure embodiment of unchanging awareness. Without our seeking them, we come to have the attributes and good works of these three, to be unspeakable, to be self-luminous, and to be pervasively encompassing. This unspeakable dominion of the Dharma that has no works is luminescent in everything. It has no conceptions. Awareness is uncontrived and does not hold on or search. As equanimity is luminous in the space of awareness, awareness will be instantaneously clear, without our engaging in the mandala of self-awareness. This is a knowledge that cuts through conventionalities, things being clear or unclear, being held or not held. The true nature of this is not connected to any support. It may be luminescent in anything. It is not to be visualized. The truth of self-luminous awareness is not to be exemplified using the language of definitions. The transmission in which luminous experience is not presented is to live as if in the taste of delight. We depart from 100 palaces of awareness and dwell forever in the clear light which is not to be defined. Apply yourself in keeping with the transmitted scriptures. Live with an attitude that you will not fail. Everything that was not clear will be clear in unity. An awareness of the state of self-luminous wisdom which is solitary is a self-apparent vase. It does not exist in the way of subjects and objects. It does not illuminate itself. It illuminates others.